Making decimals multiply like magic. Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to unravel the magic behind multiplying decimals by decimals. Remember, mathematics isn't just about numbers, it's a language of its own, and today, we're going to learn how to speak it fluently. Let's quickly revisit decimals. A decimal is a way of representing a number that is not whole. For example, if you have 1.5 apples, you have more than one apple, but less than two. The 0.5 is a decimal. Decimals are a crucial part of our everyday life, from dealing with money to measuring quantities. Now, let's remember how multiplication works. It is essentially repeated addition. For example, 3 times 2 is the same as adding 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. The two numbers being multiplied are known as factors, and the result of the multiplication is the product. Before we jump into multiplying decimals by decimals, let's get comfortable with multiplying whole numbers by decimals. For example, if we want to multiply 3 by 1.5, we first ignore the decimal point and multiply as if they're whole numbers. So, 3 times 15 equals 45, but since 1.5 has one digit after the decimal, our result must too. So, we bring back the decimal point, and our result is 4.5. Now, for the grand finale, multiplying decimals by decimals. The trick is the same as before. First, ignore the decimals and multiply as if they are whole numbers. Let's multiply 1.5 by 2.5 as an example. Ignoring the decimals, we have 15 times 25, which equals 375. But now we have to bring back the decimals. There are two digits after the decimals in our factors, one in each number, so there must be 2 in our result. So, we get 3.75. And that's it, you've multiplied 2 decimals. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've now unlocked the ability to multiply decimals by decimals. It might feel tricky at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and you'll soon be multiplying decimals like a math wizard. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video made multiplying decimals a bit more approachable. Until next time, keep calculating.